How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to show you a forearm workout that you can do at home. There's only one exercise. This video is going to be probably about 10 minutes long. It's a very good exercise to do and it will help you get jacked forearms. The key is to do volume, you guys. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. We'll get back to you guys with more details. Let's go over the workout right now. I'm going to show it to you guys. Now what we're going to be doing is getting a dumbbell, and all I'm going to do is curl it to the side like so. And we're going to do this workout. It's going to be, again, about 10 minutes long, and it's going to be a crazy workout, you guys, because it really builds strength in your forearms. I have done this before. We're going to do 10 repetitions, so I'm going to show you guys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're going to do the other side. 1, 2, 3. And you guys can see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 30-second break. And you guys can see how jacked up my forearms get just from doing this one exercise. This is probably my favorite exercise to do for forearms. And this is my workout. I do train my forearms, you guys, so this is my forearm workout today. Thank you guys for joining me. Make sure you follow along at home if you guys want to see some crazy results with your forearms. Again, this is all I do with my forearms. Nothing fancy, nothing special. I know a lot of people will do some crazy exercises. I will also use hand grips too. Hand grips are very, very good if you're trying to build muscle. But yeah, again, I will just do this, and it's very, very, very good for your forearms. So we're going to do another set. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're going to do this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 30-second break. We're going to go again, you guys. Third set coming up. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're going to do this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 30-second break, and we'll do it again. Third set, done. Whoo-wee! You guys can see the forearms are getting pretty diced. Okay, we're gonna go again, you guys. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 30-second break. Halfway done the workout, you guys. Again, it's just a little 10-minute workout, but trust me, you guys want to get jacked forearms, just trust me, do this. It is very, very good, you guys. So we're gonna do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're gonna do this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 30-second break. And again, very important, train your forearms, train your biceps, train your triceps. That is how you guys are going to get well-developed forearms. That's how you're going to see results, you guys. So make sure you are keeping up with your training. This is just a quick little workout, you guys. It's not like an hour workout. It's only 10 minutes with one of my favorite exercises. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 30-second break. Almost done, you guys. About 2 to 3 more sets left, and then we are done. Okay, we'll keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 30-second break. Do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 30-second break, you guys. We will do one more set after this, then we are done. So great job if you guys have been following along at home. If you don't have access to dumbbells, what I recommend you guys using is just use water jugs. Water jugs work. They're the same thing, and they are heavy too, so you will see results too. So just use water jugs if you don't have access to anything else. Okay, one more time, one more set, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. End of workout, you guys. One thing I would like to talk about a little bit more is your nutrition. So if you guys are looking to get big forearms, you guys are going to have to be eating in a caloric surplus. You're going to have to be eating more calories than you burn every single day. So you don't have to go too many calories above your maintenance intake for the day. All you have to do is do about 250 to 500 calories above what you're eating, and you will notice that your forearms will slowly over time start to get more jacked up. They'll be better, they'll be bigger, they'll be more lean, they'll be more shredded. You will see more veins in them as well. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.